एक्सपांड किया है, इतना बड़ा है, सोचा नहीं था इतना बड़ा है और बहुत से बुक्स है, बहुत से है जो
आय एम स्टँडिंग ॲट द मिडल ऑफ द एक्सपो राईट नाव आणि अशा सगळ्या स्टॉलवरती एवढा रिस्पॉन्स आहे. आता वाजता सकाळचे 12.
Keep reading books, keep exploring the various fields or attending such events. And
Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. From the thumbnail you must have got where I've come today. So if you look behind me, it's a Pune Book Festival 2024. By the way, thank you so much for giving a lot of love and commenting on the book festival vlog which I made last year. So that's the reason that I have got this special vlog for you. So this book festival is being organized by the National Book Trust on the college ground of Ferguson College. And this is not just a book festival and not just a heaven for the book lovers, but this festival offers a lot apart from the books. To my right side, there's a workshop happening on self-defense. We also have next to it a food court and so many other activities happening. So this vlog will give you everything which you look in the Book Festival 2024. So here we'll also interact with some of the participants. I'll also show you the glimpses of the book sections. Either it is story, either it is fiction or history. So we will also have a look at that. So ensure you watch this vlog till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then remember to like, share and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. हे आहे गरवारे कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्सचे सीनियर ज्युनियर सगळे स्टुडंट्स आणि आपण आज आलेलो आहोत बुक फेस्टिवलला, पुस्तक महोत्सव 2024 आणि खूप चांगला रिस्पॉन्स आहे विद्यार्थ्यांचा, पालकांचा. आणि दिस इज द इन्क्रीजिंग पॉप्युलॅरिटी. लुक ॲट द टीचर्स. खूप पॉप्युलॅरिटी आहे. जिथे उभे आहोत आता हा आहे यांचा एंट्री गेट आणि इथं आल्यानंतर अशा प्रकारे तुम्हाला एंट्री घ्यायची आहे. आणि जर तुम्ही बघितलं तर खूप वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारे बुक्सने एंट्रन्सेस सजवलेत. हे आहे बुक्स असं हँगिंग लावलेलं आहेत आणि कुठल्या प्रकारचे इव्हेंट्स आहे ते सुद्धा या लोकांनी मांडलेलं आहे. आणि 5 गिनीज वर्ल्ड रेकॉर्ड यावर्षी यांनी केले आहेत. सो it's really creditable and hats off to the organizers. Look at this, at every corner there's some sort of the design they have done. कमान आहे आणि तिथे सगळे असे लेटर्स लावलेले आहेत. We have with us Priyanka Jain madam, and madam, how was your experience?
No, till now I have not started, but the rush, people are very excited.
Overall designing कैसे लग रहा है?
Designing is very good.
बुक फेस्टिवल का आ रहा है ना, like
Yes,
you getting
yes,
those vibes. Yes. चलो
Feeling
let's
is very good.
feeling is good ना. चलो let's go and check the festival. I have with me Chetan, and I was talking to him. So let's have a quick chat with him. So Chetan, how was your experience?
overall experience was great. Like many types of like authors, like their books were which were like we were seeing online, and we used like to see that like let's see these books. So we get to experience this book, and like every type of books is available here. So like variety of contents, and like it was awesome.
Yeah, it offers something for everyone, like the sort of books and different sort of events happening here, starting from the culture to art and everything. How did you get to know about this expo?
Actually, we got to know this about through our college. So we like are here as a group, and we are like 50 people coming here, and we are like watching all these events which are going through cultural, which are happening for small kids, and also the book fest is awesome.
Okay, Chetan, one more question. See, these days, a lot of people, they have moved towards the online stuff. Either it is social media or reading books online. But especially, do you want to say anything to the people of your age, especially Gen Z,
Actually, it prefers from person to person. If you prefer to read digital, it's your choice. But at the end, it's like fact that it should impact you in on your minds and all. So it doesn't matter which content you consume, whether you are reading book or whether you are consuming a digital content. You can go for anything.
That's absolutely true. Whether it is digital reading or the reading the books, any sort of reading, but eventually make the habit of reading something.
Yeah.
Last question: do you want to leave any message for the viewers?
Keep reading books, keep exploring the various fields or attending such events, and subscribe to Sir.
Thank you so much and wish you all the best.
Thank you.
So now I have flipped a camera for you to show how this expo and setup has been done. So where I'm standing right now is the entry gate, and behind me, if you see, there's a self-defense workshop is going on. And from here, there's an exit and they have a food court. Along with that, they have also ensured, immediate help for the first aid and everything. So this is how beautifully it has been designed, and it gives a different, vibe and inspires to read more. So this is something very special I found for you and capturing the glimpses and memories for you. So just look at this. I'll flip the camera so that you'll also get to see the exact and actual view how it is looking. As I told you, they have the security check in there, and this is how the sculpture is done. And here there's a workshop going on the self defense, and here if you could see a lot of school students and college students, even my students have come and see Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji offering the book. Some of the pictures of the book are shown here. I also have with me my students, and let's check out and know their feedback and experience. कैसा होता एक्सपो?
सर बहुत अच्छा था, ये इतना एक्सपांड किया है, इतना बड़ा है, सोचा नहीं था इतना बड़ा है, और बहुत से बुक्स है, बहुत से है जो इतने मीन्स सोच नहीं सकते इतने बुक्स है, और इतने अच्छे अच्छे कि ना सबको लेने का मन करे.
Okay, and when it was told to you, I think I had sent a notice on your group that we are participating in the book festival. So what was your expectation? काय नेमकं असेल बुक फेस्टिवल असं वाटलं होतं का?
असं आम्हाला वाटलं की ते नॉर्मल असेल, की म्हणजे फक्त न्यूजमध्येच बघितलं होतं आणि जाता येतानाच फक्त बघितलं होतं, पण आल्यावर असं वाटतंय की एखादं मॉल किंवा मोठं
वेगळं वाईब येतात आणि
proper
बुकचं पण
proper
फेस्टिवल होऊ शकतं. दॅट समथिंग
हो,
डिफरंट.
sir.
असं इथून एंट्री करायची. एंट्री केल्यानंतर बऱ्यापैकी खूप मोठी अशी अरेंजमेंट आहे. इकडे वेगवेगळे सेक्शन्स आहेत आणि इकडे स्टॉल्स आहेत. तर इकडनं आपण जाऊया आणि बघूया कुठल्या प्रकारचे बुकचं डिस्प्ले केलेलं आहे ते. मूळ प्रतीचे प्रदर्शन ओरिजिनल बघतोय तर ही आहे भारतीय संविधानाची मूळ प्रत. अच्छा, जी एकर लायब्ररीमध्ये पण अवेलेबल असते, तिथेच असते. अच्छा, तीच आहे. Okay, we are fortunate to witness this moment. So look at this. मुद्दामून कॅमेरा फ्लिप केला आहे तुम्हाला दाखवायला की प्रत्येक स्टॉलवरती केवढा रिस्पॉन्स आहे बघा. याच्यावरून तुम्ही अंदाज करू शकता की अजूनही वाचन संस्कृती आणि बुक्स खरेदी करण्यासाठी किती लोकांचा रिस्पॉन्स आहे तो. तर हे सगळे हे मी आय एम स्टँडिंग ॲट द मिडल ऑफ द एक्सपो राईट नाव, आणि अशा सगळ्या स्टॉलवरती एवढा रिस्पॉन्स आहे. आत्ता वाजता सकाळचे 12 आणि हे आज आणि उद्या म्हणजे 22 डिसेंबरपर्यंत एक्सपो असणार आहे. त्यामुळे एन्श्युअर यू विजिट अँड डोंट मिस दिस अमेझिंग अपॉर्च्युनिटी टू एक्सपिरियन्स द ट्रेजर ऑफ बुक्स. आपण आता एक्झिटकडे चाललो आहे आणि लोकांचा फ्लो बघा तुम्ही प्रत्येक बुक स्टॉलवरती प्रचंड रिस्पॉन्स आहे. वर्कशॉप गोइंग ऑन अबाउट गुड टच अँड व्हाट इज बॅड टच.
मैंने आपको जैसे बताया पेंसिल से मैंने फोन से तो बता दिया कि आप कैसे अटैक कर सकते हो.
Starting from the defense.
अब मैं बताता हूँ पेंसिल से आप कैसे अटैक कर सकते हो या पेंसिल.
So check out Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji is offering book to Nande ma'am. I have with me enthusiastic faculty members of Garware College of Commerce. Madam, how's the experience?
Very good, very good.
Very good. How would you rate the entire arrangement on the scale of 10?
10 on 10.
And experience?
10 on 10.
10 on 10. Do you want to leave any message for the viewers?
I think everyone should visit this exhibition. This is very beautiful and there's a vast variety of books available at this festival.
Thank you so much. बघा रिस्पॉन्स कसा आहे. आज नाही उद्या लास्ट डे आहे. So this is all about the Book Festival 2024. Do comment down below and let me know your favorite book. I'll see you in another vlog. Until then, this is Sandeep signing off. Thank you so much for your time.